Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got few new lines on the chart. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of Euro USD. What are the trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD for Monday? So let's get started. So first of all, I would like to talk about this trend line. You can see that I have added this line today. So you can clearly see on the chart that whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing resistance from above, selling pressure from above, and this trend line has been acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Therefore, this trend line is a valid resistance for the market. So my dear friends, if you do not have this trend line drawn on your chart, then I will request you to draw this line, because on Monday there is a good possibility of market reversing from this trend line. Okay, so apart from this trend line, the next important level on the market is the weekly support of 1.1690 to 1.1710. Okay, to understand the importance of this line, we need to go to the weekly chart here. So this is a weekly chart of Euro USD, and if I just remove the drawings here, then you can see that previously also when market came down to this particular level, market took support and bounced. And this time also, when market was facing severe selling pressure, heavy selling pressure from above, this level was present to provide support to the market. And you can see that though market faced selling from upside, but somehow still market managed to close above this level. So 1.1710 is still a valid support for the market, and quite a strong one. So this trend line is clear and this support is clear. Okay, so we will talk about this black line after quite some time. Okay, so let me talk about this support again. See, and you can see that on Friday market just closed above the support here. So on Monday there is a good opportunity of Euro USD going up from here, but you can see that this is a very narrow zone here. Market does not have much space to move, so do not expect Euro USD to give you some heavy move on the market. If you are already, or if you have already taken a position on Euro USD, then you can be on the trade. Okay, continue with your trade. But if you are looking for a fresh opportunity, fresh trading opportunity on Euro USD, then my dear friend, you'll have to wait for some time, because see, things have become a little bit complicated here. So first of all, we need to understand one thing. Okay, listen to me carefully now. One thing that we need to understand here is that market has been testing this weekly support for quite some time, and in market, whenever market, you'll see market testing a level too much, the level becomes weak, and at one point of time the market breaks the level. Okay, so if you are planning to go for a buy again, yes, you can go for a buy, but you need to be careful as well, because see, first of all, market has been testing this level for too much, and apart from that, we also see a descending triangle pattern. In descending triangle pattern, we see a support and market constantly forming higher lower highs here, and in descending triangle pattern there is a good possibility of market going down. In descending triangle pattern, generally we see market going down. Okay, and if you look at the forex sentiment meter here, you'll find it on my website avilashhazarika.com under forex 101 section. In the forex sentiment meter, you can see that 36% retail traders have taken short position and 63% retail traders have taken long position. So 63% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up. And as we all know, more than 90% retail traders lose money in the market, because they fail to follow the trend of the market, they fail to follow the psychology of the market. And honestly, I prefer to take trades against the sentiment of the market. So why there is a possibility of market going down and breaking this support? Because of DXY, because of US dollar, and as we all know, US dollar has got huge impact on forex market. and there is a correlation with the chart of Euro USD. When dollar goes up, Euro goes down, and when dollar goes down, Euro goes up. Right now you can see that US dollar is an uptrend, and there is a possibility that after the market opening, US dollar will be taking support at 93.20 level and bounce. And in case it fails also to bounce from 93.20 level, we have a support in the form of a trend line here. So market US dollar has got double support at this particular level, and if dollar bounces from this particular level, then definitely Euro USD will witness some heavy selling on Monday, because dollar will be very bullish. When dollar has a resistance at 93.60, that's a different chapter. But right now on Monday, there is a good possibility of market US dollar bouncing from the support and Euro USD going down. And understood? Okay. So let's jump to the chart of Euro USD again. So if you have already taken a position, don't need to do anything, be on the trade. Okay, be on the trade, because right now we do not have a clear picture. So if you are planning for a fresh opportunity on the market, so your first trading opportunity is if market breaks this level. Okay, if market breaks the level of 1.1690, sorry, if market breaks the level of 1.1690 on Monday, okay, then you can short the market. Just keep in mind to confirm from the US dollar, because US dollar chart is very important. If you see US dollar is extremely bullish, then you can think about shorting Euro USD. And on the other hand, if dollar goes down and you find Euro USD going up from here, then just observe Euro USD near this trend line. If you see Euro USD reversing from this trend line on Monday, you can short the market also, but do not plan for heavy profit, because you can see that right now Euro USD is in very tight position, do not have much space to move, so hardly you can expect a movement of couple of pips, 10 pips, 15 pips max. Because if you enter here, short the market here, this will be your take profit target. Okay, and on the other hand, if there is a sudden selling on the chart of US dollar, and if you find Euro USD going up from here, then definitely this level will be the take profit target or next resistance for the market. Because if I draw Fibonacci retracement levels here, yes, I do not draw Fibonacci much, but this is our 50% retracement level, and previously also we have seen market reversing from this level. So on Monday, if US dollar gets bearish and we find Euro USD going up from here, okay, then you can take a long position on Euro USD. If dollar gets extremely bearish, you can take a long position on Euro USD. Just make sure that you exit by this level. Okay, exit by this level. That's it. Okay, and if you have already taken a buy position on Euro USD, be on the trade, no need to do anything. Okay, because that's the correct thing right now. And right now, as market has been testing this level for quite some time, so we are not sure that how long this level will be able to hold the market. Okay, so honestly speaking, I am not trading on Monday on Euro USD, because see, Euro USD is in a very tight spot here. I do not prefer to take trades where the market does not have much space to move. And that's it. Hopefully I've understood. And my dear friends, this is a pro trader program that I have launched last month, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market. I share my homework, I share my analysis with you guys. If you're interested in knowing about the pro trader program, just go to my website and click on the pro trader option here. You'll find all the information. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday again.